Hi, Klaus here from Guitarhabits with my dog Woozle. He's gonna chill out here on the couch. We're gonna learn A Horse With No Name from the band America. I'm gonna play through the song first and then teach you the chord strumming patterns. It's a beautiful, easy 2-chord song. Perfect for beginners, but also for intermediate players. Just a lovely song to play. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. First part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert with a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 desert sun, my skin began to turn red. And after 3 days in the desert sun, and I was looking at a riverbed, and the story it told of a river that flowed made me sad to think it was dead. I sit through the desert with a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la. That's my wife. Okay, so we're gonna check out this song. We'll do a close-up and I'll teach you all the basics. Okay, here we go. We start with an E minor chord. That's, you put your second finger on the A string, 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger on the D string, 2nd fret. Like that. So that's your first, it's an E minor chord. And that's your first chord, and then we have a second chord. It has a bit of a difficult name. First we're gonna explain it. So when you have that E minor chord, you put your second finger up here on the low E string, 2nd fret, and that other finger, your 3rd finger, you take it down a string and you put it on the G string, 2nd fret. So you just spread those 2 fingers. One goes up and the other one goes down. And then make sure that you lean that 2nd finger, you lean it over the A string. So normally with beginners that goes automatically. So you mute that string. So this finger, it leans a bit over the string that's underneath it, so that you don't hear that string. So that's a string, you can hear it, it's okay if you hear that A string, but it's better if you don't. So we call this a D6-9 over F sharp. It's a really long name for such an easy chord. But yeah, it's what it is. This is an E minor, D6-9 over F sharp, but just visualize the chord shapes. That's all you need to do. E minor, and then this finger goes up and the other finger goes down. Lean over the A string so you don't hear that. Don't don't worry about it too much in the beginning. If you hear it, it's okay, but once you get used to just leaning over that string, it just sounds a little bit better. So that's E minor and D6/9 over F sharp, which you don't really have to remember. Okay, then for the E minor chord, we got a strumming pattern. It goes like down, down, up, down, down, up. So first you go 2 times down and 1 time up. So down, down, up. And you do that 2 times in a row. Down, down, up, down, down, up. I use the pick for this song. So put it between my thumb and my index finger and I go down, down, up, down, down, up. You can also play just with your thumb if you like it, like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Or you put your thumb and your index finger just against each other and you go down, down, up, down, down, up. And you play with your wrist like this movement. So don't play from your elbow because then it becomes, your strumming rhythm becomes too tight. You want to play it loosely from the wrist like this. Down, down, up. When you go down, the nail of your index finger is reaching the strings. And when you go back, the nail of your thumb is reaching the strings like this. Also, when you go down, you're strumming all the strings, and when you go up, you don't really need to go all the strings, just the higher 3 or 4 strings. You go down, and then again down, and then up. Just the higher strings. Down, down, up, down, down, up. If you hit all the strings, it's okay to don't give it too much attention in the beginning. Just do what feels good. But don't worry that you have to do down, down, up, all the way up and all the way down. Just a little bit up. So again, E minor, you go down, down, up, down, down, up. That's Woezel, and he sees another dog. Woezel, chill. Okay. And he's really good in protecting his territory. Okay. That's the E minor chord. Practice that a couple of times so you really get a little bit the hang of it. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Then we take the D6 over F sharp chord, and there we play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you go 4 times down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you go back to the E minor chord. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Spread those 2 fingers and you go to the D6 and D6/9 over F sharp. What a terrible name for a chord. And you go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So before you can combine those 2 chords together with the strumming pattern, make sure you first get the hang of switching between these chords. E minor and then the D. E minor and the other one. Switch between these as fast as you can. Try to practice that a couple of times so you get the hang of that, and then you can go E minor and move on to the next. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. E minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, and bound, up, down, up, down, up, down. E minor, down, down, up, down, down, up. D6/9, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And we do it slower. Take it easy again. Down, down, up, down, down, and switch. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Hear the strumming pattern down. So the first down, it takes a little bit longer. Here down and down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And once you get the hang of it, you go a little bit faster. Once you get the hang of that, we take it all like one step at a time. So first make sure you got this, and then once you get really comfortable with it, you can play the accents on the up. When you play the D6 9 over F sharp, you have this. When you go up, it's got that extra accent. So you got E minor, and you go. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. You still play the down, up, but you give it a little, that hit, that up string a little bit harder, so you hear that better. So just play everything softly and a little bit harder when you go on that. There's again, from this side, down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Hear it? It's also with the E minor. It just makes you create some more dynamic. It's also with the E minor. You can play on the second down strum, that accent. So you got down, down, up, down, down, up. See, on the, just give it a little, strum it a little bit harder. Down, down, up, down, down, up. It's only on the second down strum. Down, and then down, up. And again, down, down, up. So, but do that later on. First, make sure you got the chords down, the strumming pattern down. If that all feels comfortable, then you get into that little extra strumming pattern with the accents down. Hear it? Okay, that's it for A Horse With No Name. 2 chords, beautiful strumming pattern, nice and easy, and just take it slow at first. Switching between those chords, make sure you got the hang of it, and then slowly adding that strumming pattern. Let me know in the comments if you like this song. Do you got requests for other songs? Let me know. And subscribe if you like the channel. And I'll see you next time in a new guitar lesson. Okay, bye.